Hey guys, it's me Abby here again, and today I'm going to be doing a slime, kind of like a slime challenge, but it's not. It's just showing you some slimes, and that was only 2 of them. I'm not getting out all my slimes because I don't feel like going in the garage right now, so we're going to start with my lava slime. And hold on, wait, give 10 seconds to push that subscribe button down below and hit the bell for notifications and give a big thumbs up for this video. So now we can get right to it. So my lava slime, like I said, it's just so hard to open. It's like crusted on there. But I haven't played with these for a long time. So this is my lava slime. It's not that stretchy, and when I tried doing the swirl, it wouldn't really stretch that much when I did the swirl. So it was like kept ripping, and the swirl wasn't as good as I thought it might be. But the poke is better than I thought it would be with some sort of water slime. So there's this one. Okay, that's that one. And this is a slime I got from Big Al's. It's a water slime because they don't really have slimes, they have water slimes. Well, I think they're called jiggly slimes, but they're made out of with lots of water. I think. I never really made a watery slime except this one. This one I had to add water. Lots of it. But then people liked that one and I gave them it. So I don't have that much anymore. This one is not that good at poking. Not good at all. Stretching, it's pretty rippy. The tables is really messy right now. The crayons, Malachi's toys, stuff, and baby wipes and shoes. One pair of shoes. Actually, I can't say shoes. I say shoes. Maybe shoes, but one pair of shoes. There we go. That's fine. So this is the blue alien slime. Well, the alien was blue till I took out all its color. But stand up, you alien. And that's this blue slime. So later on this video, I'm going to tell you again to tell me what your favorite slime is so far, because mine is really the lava slime. It's quite better than the blue one. It's really better than the blue one. I'm going to be reviewing all of these twice in my video. Oh my goodness. I can't put this in. Okay, well, that's going in there. I am gonna set that aside in a second when I get it in there. That's what I don't like about these slimes. They don't go in as well as they come out. So, it's my cat over there eating. there's that alien slime. There's the two slimes. This one, I really like this lava slime. I just have to say so much. Sand makes it so good. So I will be showing in my next video my cloud slimes. Me making my first cloud slimes. And I'm going to have you guys pick out which one. I could get out this one, that 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 one. Any one, you guys choose. But right now, I'm just going to pick my other water slime. I'm going to do this one. It's peach. I put all my slimes that I make in a container. Since I don't really have that much containers, I just use baby food containers, as you see. If you're new to my channel, my name is Abby and I am diabetic. I'm type 1 diabetic. Yeah. So this one is not that stretchy. I don't know. See how it just like rips? That's kind of what water slimes are. They're not really slimes. Oh, this piece. They're not really slimes. They're like jiggly. It's so weird. So that just went in the container so fast. And my next slime I'm going to pick is my other water slime. This is the last water slime I'm going to be showing you guys of the water slimes. So all these 4 slimes so far, they were all water slimes. I let this girl take home some of this water slime because she really liked this one. And I let her put beads in it. Her name was, what's her name? Ember. Her name was Ember. I let everybody take home as much slime as they wanted, except Ember. I told her she can't take the whole entire slime. I told everybody that, but we let her take half of it. So I was going to be making a video on this slime. Oh, the crystals are falling out. That's the thing about water slimes, are that like you can't keep any of the accessories or like jewels and stuff or beads, anything inside there. They'll always fall out. Oh my goodness. That did not fall. That's, thank goodness. Oh my goodness. Okay, I'm just gonna take out the beads that fall. Okay, let me pick up my mess. I had a really good trash can slime. It was in here and I added my beads, but if you let it sit out, it'll get really watery and soapy. So I ended up throwing that away. My goodness. Okay. So there you have it for this slime. Watch while it goes in. So my next slime I'm going to be getting for you guys is a black one. It sort of dyes your hand, but it's if your hands are wet. And like it has to be soaking wet. I don't know how it dyes your hands. I used acrylic paint, so that's probably why. Oh my goodness, it's all over me. All over me. Well, like my hands, not me. So I'm gonna get out my black slime. Oh my goodness. So this is my black slime. trying to go as slow as I can. My goodness. Pull out. Okay. There's this one. Yeah, I'm just probably gonna go a little bit faster because I'm like taking my time. That stretched far. Oh my goodness. That's so far. Now I'm gonna swirl it. Oh my goodness, never mind. I'm gonna do one more together thing. There we go. Okay, that somebody is at the door, and I'll show you. Never mind, I won't because my dad is getting the door. I have no clue who that is. Who is it? Okay, it's Brown.
Hey.
That's my dad. That's Brown.
What are you doing?
Video, remember?
Oh, can you pause?
Nope.
All right. Well, so
I didn't get the mega photo
Brown's
yet.
over there. I'll be right back. I gotta run with Brown real quick down the road.
Okay, where are you going?
To the store down the road.
Oh, Village Vendor?
Village Vendor?
That's the name of the store down the road.
Do you know how many stores are down the road?
The closest one is called Village Vendor. I go there a lot. I go get Takis there. When I went to City Christian, I always had to walk home from that place. This is not that clicky of a slime, but it's still pretty good. I could fix it. I'm gonna do a video of me fixing all my slimes, and I'm gonna add these into the slime. Just see what happens if I add this jiggly slime into it. Okay, while that plops in there unsatisfying, I'm going to be getting out a purple slime. Oh my goodness, do you like that slime? Comment down below if you do, and my purple slime will end up right here. And you see, I don't have one. So, see you in a bit. Hi guys, I'm back, and I have my purple slime. It's not sticky at all, really at all sticky. But it's really stretchy, and it's pearlish. In the light it looks pearly. Take a sip of my secret potion, I'll make you fall in love. Okay, that song is stuck in my head from Black Magic. Well, actually, I don't know if it's the name, it's Black Magic, but I think that's the name of the song. Maybe it is. No clue. Don't care right now. Pretend that didn't happen. It doesn't make that good of bubbles, but still crackles and stretches. So the next slime I'm going to be getting out is a yellow slime. It's really tiny, but it's still a really good slime. Oh my goodness, I forgot to put the lids on every single one of these except my alien slime. Okay. I can't believe I'm so not thinking right now. I just love this one. So far, I'm in love with this one. So far, this one is winning. In my point of view. Now, let's set these all aside. That one, I left the cap in my room. And I'll get back to you with the yellow slime. So it took forever because I left it in my room, but here's the yellow slime. I had to keep it in this, a Tide cap, yes, and another container of a thing because I had nowhere to put it, and I did not want to get out another one of the baby bottles and could not find the lid to this. And this one, it fit all the way in there. There's lots. My goodness, get in there. See, there's no if I squeeze the top onto that, and go like this. I don't want to waste any bit of it. But, so it's a really stretchy slime, and I tried doing this, the bubble, but it's probably, like I said, it's probably a little slime. It's too little of a slime for me to be able to bubble. It can crackle, and it could really make a twist, but I mean, a swirl, but it's not as good as like the Pokewise and all this stuff. See, you can't really hear it. Stretches real well, like real well. It's good for a little slime. See, like I said, it crackles real good. My goodness, it's so crackling. Okay, well, I'm putting this away. My next slime I have out for you guys is a pink one. It's pretty big, I do say. Can say. But I think I might need a bigger space. Squish that over there. And do you think this will be a big enough space? But it's not as big. So I'm gonna leave you guys to that, and bye. So I'm back with my slime. There. It's pretty sticky. Well, actually, I guess it's not that sticky anymore. We put lots of jewels in it. I just have to say. Well, I did it. Olivia did. The slime I put lots of jewels in was, actually, I only put 4 things in. Those blocks that spell your name. The one that says Abby. This one, Olivia. This one, nobody added. This one was Ember. Nobody else wanted to add anything to this, so I added stuff to this one. Nothing else people wanted to add into, except Olivia liked this one a lot, but she didn't add anything to it. So when I tried doing the twist, it was really good, but this melts fast. I have to say that. But I gotta have this go out more. Okay, that's way too out. Okay, here we go. There. Think that's good? Think it will be if I move this away. Okay, yeah, I sell slimes. That's why I don't have that much out right now. Oh my goodness, my camera's falling. Okay, there we go. Okay, don't mind if I sing. You can silent this out because I really need to sing. I love singing. So, like I said, the swirl isn't as good. But I don't think I said that, but it melted real quick. And I'm not gonna speed this up, and I'm not gonna let you see it melt, but in my next video, I'm gonna show you them all melting. See, it's not good at popping, like poking, I mean. Not at all. And all the beads are like falling out. It's an atrocious mess. My table. Blah. Oh my goodness, beads dropped everywhere, somewhere. Okay, I'm gonna try to do a bubble. So yeah, my dad went to Village Vendor. But it's the closest one here, and they didn't want to go as far before I did this video. Oh, the bubble went out. Crack's pretty good. That's this. So let's get the container over. Oh my goodness, that bead. Please like this video for if you want me to do a giveaway. I'm not sure yet. I will do a giveaway to anybody that likes, subscribe, and comments in the comments down below what their favorite slime was, and I'll do a giveaway to that person. So please do that. Now let's get my next slime, and you're coming over because I have no clue which one I'm gonna do. So I'll save the big one for the last. This one used to be a candy container. Like, I'm not joking. That's why it came with, ouch, can't open this. That's why it came with tweezers. I put my slime in here. I'm like not joking. I promise you guys on my life that I didn't buy this. See, that's like who would put tweezers in the slime? For somebody that doesn't like touching things. So I'm taking this tweezers out of the package. So this slime is kind of sticky, but if you could get used to it. Not really that much of my slimes are sticky slimes. They're really stretchy. That one got activated a lot by Olivia. She thinks that all these slimes, if they're a little sticky, they need to be activated. So she activated this a lot. Okay, I'm gonna have this go all the way down to the floor. This one melts pretty fast. My goodness gracious. Okay, I'm not gonna swirl this. Okay, so this is a really stretchy and good slime. Like, really good slime. So let's see if it does the test. Back over to the table. It stretches perfectly. And let's first see if it swirls. Second, see if it swirls. And then pokes. So it pokes real well, but I'm not sure if it could do a bubble or a crackle. So hopefully it could do a bubble, because I want this to be a good slime. So, it's sort of bubbled. Gotta admit. Sort of. Just went down fast. So, I'm doing a redo. I call a redo. See, it can bubble. Take a sip from a secret potion. I'll make you fall in love. The spell that can't be broken. So we'll put that back in the container. Say bye-bye. See you next time. So it's gone. But I forgot to get my other slime. So, bye. You see my shadow. Hi. Okay, for reals this time. Bye. Okay, JK, not saying bye yet. This slime. It has rocks in it. It fell. That's why I ain't selling this slime. But it has lots of beads in it too. Okay, move this. Hurry. Okay, let's first see if it stretches. Same slime test. Okay, this stretches real well, and it melts fast. So, there's the stretching. Let's see, swirling, I think that's what it's called again. I forgot what I literally just said, because I literally just said swirling. So that's the swirl. Poke. Now I'm gonna do the bubble. No, it's breaking. Okay, that still made bubbles. Still crackling. Okay, so that's a good slime. So I think the slime that won today, this is second place. This is literally second place. But could any of you guys guess what my first place was? If you guessed lava slime, you're correcto. Correctomando. The lava slime is the one, and next I'm gonna be doing slimes that I got sent, that people sent to me. So, yay! Okay. So, oh my goodness, you wanna know another reason why I like this slime? It smells so good. Can you smell that? Smell it. I know it smells so good. Okay, you guys probably couldn't smell it because it's through phone, but still, it smells so good. It smells like cupcakes. Oh my goodness. Okay. It's so much slime. Okay, I like this one. So that's it for today's video. Please thumbs up and give it a big thumbs up. And subscribe to my channel. Hit the bell for notifications. So you can be a part of my cousin squad, because my cousins come over so much and we always like calling it cousin squad, and on Instagram that too. So bye. Actually it's hashtag cousin squad. But bye. See you next time.